In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import issues into Jira. Whether you're migrating from another tool or just need to bulk import tickets, understanding this process can save you tons of time and make project management smoother for your team. So sit back and let's dive right in. First, you'll need to prepare your import file. If you've got everything sitting in an Excel file, the first step is to convert it into a format that Jira can understand. Saved it as a CSV or comma-separated values file. This format is key because it helps to ensure the data is organized in a way that Jira can easily digest. Now, when setting up your CSV file, there are certain columns you should definitely include to cover all necessary details. Make sure you have columns like summary, issue type, project key, description, priority, assignee, and labels. These columns capture the core information Jira needs to categorize and organize the issues properly. With your CSV ready, it's time to head to Jira. Open up your Jira settings and click on System. Once you're there, scroll until you find External System Import and then select CSV. This brings you to the next important phase where you upload your file. Click on Upload CSV File and navigate through your computer to select the file you just prepared. Once it's uploaded, you'll click Next, which moves us directly to setting up the project in Jira. At this stage, you need to select the Jira project type from a drop-down menu. An important choice you'll face here is whether your project should be team managed or company managed. Consider how your team collaborates to make the best choice for your workflow. Giving your project a name is a straightforward task, but don't rush it. This name will be what everyone identifies when working on the project. After naming it, you'll need to decide the access settings, selecting whether it should be private, limited, or open access, depending on who needs to view or contribute within your organization. Defining the project key is another crucial part, which acts as a unique identifier for your project. Once set, move on by clicking Next. At this point, Jira requires you to map the columns from your CSV file to corresponding Jira fields. The mapping ensures data seamlessly integrates into the platform. You'll likely go through clicking Next several times as you approve the mappings. This step-by-step review is crucial because any mismatch might lead to complications down the road. Finally, when you're confident everything is mapped properly, there's nothing left but to click on Import. Congratulations, you've just successfully imported your issues into Jira. Remember, importing can seem daunting at first, but practicing these steps ensures you become proficient and make the most of Jira's capabilities. Thanks for tuning in and happy project managing.